So let's just move on further to what the question number 4, and the question number 4 says plot the points on plane. So the points are in this form. We have x comma y. The very first point is -2 comma 5, then is -1 comma 3, then is 0 comma -1.5, then we have 1 comma 3, and then we have our point as 3 comma -1. So let's just have the Cartesian plane first, and let's just plot all these points one by one on the plane. So let us suppose I am taking the very first coordinate as a, which is -2 comma 5. So for the value x as -2, we have y as 5. For the x as -1, we have y as 3. For the x as 0, we have y as -1.5. For the x as 1, we have y as 3. So let's just move on with this. We have b as -1 comma 3. We have c as 0 comma -1.5. We have d as 1 comma 3. We have e as 3 comma -1. So these are my 5 points, and we just have to plot all these points on this particular plane. So let's just start with the point A. We have -2 comma 5, -2 comma 5. It means we are talking about x being negative, y being positive. So x being negative, y being positive, it will definitely lies in the second quadrant. So let's just extend -2. Let's just extend -2. So -2 is this, and we just wanted to go till 5. So let's just go till 5. So this is at the end is nothing but 5. So let's just extend it further till 5. So this point of intersection of the perpendicular distances from these two numbers is nothing but my point A, whose coordinates are -2 comma 5. Now let's just move on further, talk about the point B, having the coordinate as -1 and 3. Again, it is negative positive. It means it is lying in the second quadrant. Again, -1 and 3. So -1 is over here. This is my -1, and further we just wanted to go till 3. So let's just extend it till 3, and this is 3, and let's just draw further the perpendicular distance from 3 again. So this is my perpendicular distance from 3, and this is from -1. So hence this point is nothing but called as B, whose coordinates are -1 comma 3. So I'm not just writing the coordinates, but always remember to write the coordinates with the point B. So I'm not writing it because of the little space over here, so I'm not writing it, but you always remember that you have to write the coordinates with the point B. So let's just move on further with the C point. So it is 0 comma -1.5. Obviously it is of the form 0 comma y. It means it is lying on the y-axis, but y being a negative, it lies on the negative of y-axis. It means in the downward direction. So it is 0 comma -1.5. -1.5, it means it is lying in between -1 and 2. So let us suppose this is my point, that is -1.5. So let us suppose this is my -1.5. So let us suppose I'm calling it as a C. This is my C, which is 0 comma -1.5. So let us suppose I'm writing it over here as 0 comma -1.5. This is my point C, having the coordinates as 0 comma -1.5. Let's just talk about the point D. It is 1 comma 3. X being positive, y being positive, it is lying in the first quadrant. Again, 1 and 3. So this is my 1, this is my 1, and I just have to go till 3. So let's just go till 3 and 3. So this is my 3, this is my 3. So let's just extend it, extend the perpendicular distance over here, extend the perpendicular distance over here. So this point is nothing but called as the point D, having the coordinate as 1 comma 3, as 1 comma 3. Now let's just talk about E. E is 3 comma -1, means positive negative, positive negative. So positive and negative, it lies in the fourth quadrant. It is 3 comma -1. So let's just extend 3. So if we'll extend 3, we just have to go till -1. We have to go till -1. So -1 is nothing but this perpendicular distance. As we can see, this is the perpendicular distance from -1, from -1. So this perpendicular distance, wherever they are meeting with each other, this is nothing but called as the point E, which is 3 comma -1. So this is all about plotting all these points which are of this form on the Cartesian plane or on the XY plane. So I hope the concept of plotting the points on the plane is all clear to you. So this is all about plotting the points on a plane which are all given to us in this particular form or in the ordered form. So I hope the concept of plotting the points on the plane is all clear to you. So this is the end of our chapter coordinate geometry. I hope all the concepts related with this particular chapter is all clear to you. Now let's practice more and more questions all by yourself, the questions from the NCERT, from the MCQs. So you will definitely have a good command on this particular chapter. So this is all about our chapter.